In this video, I'm going to show you this amazing tool that I just created. And number two, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build it yourself.
Yo, we got the tools, we got the flow. Entity Ranker, watch your rankings grow. AI Miller, it's the real deal. High quality content, that's the appeal. Build your own, let the power ignite. Sending emails that are out of sight.
So first of all, I'm going to show you exactly what this is, and this is going to blow you away. First of all, Entity Ranker Email and Ad Creator is a custom GPT that I just created, and it says click on either the email prompt or the Facebook ads prompt to get started. So we'll click on create my Entity Ranker affiliate email, and this is for all the Entity Ranker customers so they can promote this product and basically get Entity Ranker for free. So the first question asks, could you provide your first name, Pete? Affiliate link for this, I'll just put peterdrew.net. How many emails? Between 1 and 9, so I'll go 3. Boom. Each email gives you a selection of subjects that you think are best. For the first email, you can select copy and paste one of those into your email provider like Aweber. The content of these emails is spectacular. Are you tired of seeing your website stuck on page 2 of search results? I get it. Frustration not ranking where you deserve to be overwhelming. Well, that's where Entity Ranker SEO software comes into play. This revolutionary tool has been designed specifically to help you dominate search engine rankings with ease. It's packed with AI-powered features that adapt. Look, this content is amazing. But what's even better, so there is the hyperlink, and it's got PS, stay tuned for my next email. I've got something even more exciting to share with you, which is really important. That's going to help drive conversions to your opening rate of the second email even further. And the PPS, Peter Drew has been a thought leader in the SEO space since 1995, and his products always deliver results. So that's a testimonial or social proof from you to your market. Second email, you can select which subject you like the best. If you're serious about SEO, then you know the importance of staying ahead of the curve. Algorithms change constantly, and what worked yesterday might not work today. That's why having the right tools is essential. And Entity Ranker SEO software is the ultimate solution. With Entity Ranker, you can quickly identify what's holding your site back, get detailed recommendations how to fix it. There is the hyperlink there. Now, all of this content is sourced from the files I uploaded to this custom GPT, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So here's the third email. Look, this content is amazing, and that will convert really, really well. So that is the email section, and these are going to convert incredibly well. Like here you can say give me two more, and it will just do it for you just like that. So now we'll go to the other section, new chat, create Facebook ads for me. How many Facebook ads would you like to create? I'll just go 3. Headline, boost your SEO with AI power. Struggling to rank high, let Entity Ranker elevate your SEO with AI driven insights, get results faster. Emotional appeal, don't let competitors outrank you, take control today. These are spectacular. These ads are brilliant. And then it gets to the end. Would you like me to proceed with creating graphics for the first ad? If so, let me know which size you prefer. I'll go 1/4 square. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Here's a graphic for the first Facebook ad. Would you like me to proceed with the next graphic? Now that one suits this first ad up here. Boost your SEO with AI power. Boost your SEO with AI power. Okay, yes. Now we'll do the graphic for the second ad. Spectacular. Are these amazing or what? Look, dominate search rankings now. Entity Ranker SEO software. This is created using the custom instruction set that I put in here, which I'll show you now. Edit your GPT. This is exactly the inside of this. These are the 2 documents I uploaded with the content about the product, which you can do also. This is the custom instructions. Don't worry, I'm going to put these in a Google Doc so you can copy and paste this straight into your own GPT and have your own product exactly like this. And what's really killing it in Facebook ads is what's called micro videos. So since we've got this, I'll just do, how many do you want to create? I'll do 1. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make the perfect micro video. Okay, so we've created 2 ads. Now let's make the first image, and we'll stick with square. Okay, so that's cool. So I'm going to copy that. I'll just drag that over to there. Then I'll go to lumalabs.ai, which you can use for free. Now I'll drag that into there, and I'll add the word movement. And this takes about 5 minutes, so I'll come back once that's rendered. Okay, so this Luma Labs has turned that image into an MP4 video. So you just click on there. It just removes that little Luma watermark. And there it is, your micro video file for your Facebook ads. Okay, so you can see how amazing this tool is. So how do you build it? First of all, you need to, if I go back here, edit GPT, I'm going to supply you these custom instruction sets in a Google Doc, so don't worry about that. All you need to worry about is the content that you supply to the GPT for it to be trained on. The easiest way to do that, so we'll go to Entity Ranker as an example, go to the website that you want to promote. So you go to the web page you want to promote. So it's got all the content there. This is a beautiful sales page, by the way. Very happy with this. So this is all text. This is all text. So you do Control A, Control C to copy, go to a text document, paste it in there. I'll get rid of the copyright information. And then if the product you are promoting has a JV page, grab all the email content and copy and paste that and put that in that text file. Another thing you can do is go to YouTube, research that product or a product like it, find generally speaking the longest video. This one will be fine. Click on more, go to transcript and show transcript, go to the bottom and then just copy all of that. Control C, go back to your text document, paste it in there along with your email content that's been provided, and then that is all you need. You save that to your hard drive, then upload that to your custom GPT, then go to the Google Doc I provide with the custom instructions and edit those custom instructions to suit your product and your name. And then you log into ChatGPT, explore GPTs, create, select the name of your GPT, and then copy and paste the custom instructions that I provide after you've edited them to suit your product, upload that text file, and you are good to go. And you can end up with something like this. Honestly, the content of these emails is spectacular. Entity Ranker takes the guesswork out of SEO by leveraging AI-powered insights that ensure your site is optimized for success. Whether you are targeting local searches or global rankings, this software provides the tools and guidance you need to outperform the competition. This is insanely amazing content, and you can get exactly the same by following the instructions in the custom instructions in the Google Doc that I provide in the first comment below this video or in the description, depends on where you see it. This just makes promoting Entity Ranker the best SEO software on the planet right now too easy. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.